Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Sohani Parekh, and in today's video we are going to set up one of the fastest Python frameworks out there, FastAPI. By the end of this video, you will have FastAPI installed, your first API running, and your development environment ready to go. So let's dive in. The first step is to make sure Python is installed, and once that's ready, let's set up virtual environment. So click on terminal, new terminal, type Python. We have created the environment. Now let's activate the environment. Source env then activate. Now virtual environment is activated. Now we install FastAPI by running pip install FastAPI. And because FastAPI needs a server to run on, we also install uvcon. So type pip install uvcon. That's all we need for the basic setup. Now let's write our very first API. Create a new file called main.py. Now in this file, write a few lines to create your first API endpoint. Start by importing FastAPI from FastAPI. FastAPI, then create an instance of it equals to FastAPI, and finally define a root. Now this small script sets up your entire API. Now you can run the server by using this command. The -- reload flag automatically restarts the server when you make changes, which is helpful during development. So once the server is running, open your browser, go to this URL, hit enter. Now you will see your JSON message here. So here's the cool part. FastAPI automatically generates API documentation for you. Just go to the docs and you will see a beautiful interactive Swagger UI. Here you can actually test your APIs directly in the browser without writing a single line of extra code. And that's it for your FastAPI setup. You have installed FastAPI, set up a virtual environment, and created your first API endpoint, and even explored the automatically generated docs. If this helped you get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment about what you want to learn next, whether it's about building CRUD APIs, connecting database, or deploying FastAPI to the cloud. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.